Students, here in exercise 12.2, we are going to start question number 1, that is express the following numbers in standard form. Standard form. So that means we have to convert the given numbers in standard form. Let's start with 1. You can see this is 0.000000000085. So we have to convert this number in standard form. To convert this number in standard form, just you have to move this decimal in such a place so that before that decimal you have a single number and that number must be a non-zero number. So you can move this decimal here between 8 and 5 so that you can make it 8.5. And next what you have to do is just put the sign of multiplication and 10, write down 10. And what about this power? Let's see how to write this power. Just you can see you move this decimal from here to here. Just check how many places it moved. It moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 places, and also the decimal moved in right direction, so the 10 will get power 12 as negative. If decimal moves in right direction, the power will be negative, and 12 is the number the decimal moved the places. Next, the part 2. So let us convert this number in standard form. To convert this number in standard form, just see here is no decimal in this number, so we have to put decimal at the end. Now we have to move this decimal in such a place so that before decimal there must be only a 1 digit. So we can move this decimal from here to here so that we can make it as 3.186. That is, you have to move this decimal from here to here so that there must be only 1 digit before decimal, so it becomes 3.186, and the last zeros we can leave them because zeros at the end we can leave after decimal. So after this number you have to write multiply 10 power. See how you get this 10. Now you can see this decimal moves how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 places. So that means you get 10 power 10, and the decimal moves in left direction, so the sign of this 10 is positive. In first part the decimal moved in right direction, the power of 10 was negative. In second part decimal moved in left direction, so the sign of this power is positive. Now move for question number 2. Express the following number in usual form. Now students, this is exactly opposite of standard form. So the given number is this 3.02 into 10 power minus 6. We have to convert this number in usual form. To convert this number in usual form, first of all you have to check the power of 10, it is negative or positive. Here in this part you can see the power of 10 is negative, so the decimal will move in left direction. So how many steps it will move in left direction? It will move 6 steps. So just see, after decimal there is 02, we will write it as it is. Now before decimal there is the first digit is 3, we will write 3. Then other numbers 1, this is first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 digits you have to put 0, you have to put decimal, then here is 0. So you can see the decimal moved 6 steps in left direction. Here was the decimal, it moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 steps. So this is the usual form of this given number. In second part, you can see the power of 10 is positive. So here the decimal will move in right direction. So how many steps it will move? It will move 9 steps. So just see, before decimal there is 1, write it as it is. After decimal, you will write the digits 0 as it is, this 0 as it is, this 0 as it is, this 1 as it is. Now these are the 4 digits, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now after that you will write zeros, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits completed. Then put decimal. So here we have written the usual form of the number. In first part you have seen the power of 10 was negative, so decimal moved in left direction. In second part you had seen the power of 10 is positive, so decimal moved in right direction.